Let me turn it on. Hey guys, it's me, Serena Marie, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Dyson Supersonic. It was $500. Is it worth it? We're going to find out.
What a wonderful.
It is adorable. Hey guys, it's me, Serena Marie, and I'm gonna do Melina's hair. And plot twist, I'm gonna compare it to my Drybar blow dryer that I've had for a few years, and this was $200. Is it worth it? $500 to $200? I'm gonna tell you. First things first, I've gotta wash her hair so we can dry it after. And if you're wondering why her eyes look like this, go check out the video before this. But look at the difference in size. That's a big difference. Do you want it cold? No. I'm not a dog. Well, today, God, it's cold. Hold on. Yeah. There it comes. There it comes. Hi, it's me, Serena Marie.
Can you see all my chins?
Obviously, I shouldn't be a barber. Who's a good girl?
I'm thinking the shower might have been easier.
Because the shower had movies. Now we need to get you.
Okay, glad that's over. Eric is here. He's going to be part of the process, and we're going to actually do this review for Eric.
I'm so excited. I really need a good hair dryer
Good.
for all my hair.
And I'm gonna use the Drybar one on this side. This is the Drybar one. 3 settings on it, low, medium, and high. I always use the high one on it. And let me turn it on. Hear that? This is pretty much dry,
Oh,
and
it's fast.
it was fast. So how long would you say that took? 5 minutes?
If that.
The top is like completely dry. It's drier, but there's still wet down here, but I think it's because of the angle you're getting me at. It is dry, but definitely drier than any of the
Okay,
blow
good.
dryers that I've ever used.
Okay, good. Now let's use this one. This has a cooler and then a hot, so you can blow dry your hair cool or hot. These are a couple things that it came with inside it. It has a little mat, because I don't know why. And then here's the attachment. It's magnetic. First of all, holy crap.
Wow.
And it's lighter. It seems to be drying it faster.
Wow, yeah, that feels so dry. So
It's smooth and shiny.
Ooh.
Yeah, it is.
Wow, it's really tough.
Is it?
So with a $300 difference, if it's that tough of a decision for me to make, I would stick with a Drybar because I can't tell the difference and it's my own head. I mean, if I'm being honest, this side feels smoother.
And if I'm using this is easier on my hands, but is it worth $500? Obviously your hair gets blow dried. It looks pretty. I like it. What do you think? Based off of your feeling
I
of it?
just told you everything I felt.
I forgot what happened.
I'll rewind it. If it's that tough of a decision for me to make, I would stick with a Drybar because I can't tell the difference and it's my own head.
I don't know, I'm kind of feeling this side better.
Are you?
This feels like some good weave.
If you have the money, stick with the $500 one. If you don't, do the Drybar. However, it is definitely harder on the hand. It does dry, but temperature seems to be hotter than the Dyson one.
So this is better for your hair?
So this one's definitely better for the longevity of your hair. This, after time with the heat, can damage your hair. I would say that I think I'm gonna go ahead and keep the Dyson because I wanna preserve my hair as much as I can.
I'd like to keep mine too.
Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I gave you guys some insight